our two-step process for cleaning out the hose that's connected to the hydro wand. First step, we're going to use our EquiSheer, and we're going to use the suction to pull the congestion, dead skin, and serum out of this tubing. That's step one. I'm going to open that up, put a little in the cap. Perfect. Put it on maximum suction. All right, all of that's out of there. Now I want to give it a little pressure. And as I do that, your EquiSheer and congestion is over here in your acrylic filter.
Perfect.
Beautiful. And let's do pushing it out. So I'm going to pull this off. This is the deep cleaning step. I'm going to work that off of the connector, and I'm going to put it on where the oxygen gun is. Change the mode. Beautiful. Anything residual that might be left over in this tubing is what we're trying to get out now. So I'm going to put it on the hose. Perfect. As soon as I can see that my 4x4 is clean and I don't have anything on the surface, I know there's nothing to push out of the gray tubing. So I'm going to take a look here. I see nothing there. It looks clean. Perfect. Now I know my tubing is clear, clean, and ready for my next service. And this is how you're going to prevent any kind of conversation about, I don't have suction. You will have suction if you'll do both these steps. First the vacuum, and then pushing the product through the air coming out tip. 2 steps to keeping this hose perfectly clean.